What if I told you that the vitamins you take before bed, thinking they're helping your body, might actually be working against you? Here's the truth. Timing matters as much as the supplement itself. Every night, your body enters its most crucial recovery window. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your muscles go into repair mode. That's when growth hormone rises, your body restores energy, and tissues quietly knit themselves back together after the strain of daily activity. But here's the catch. If you take specific vitamins at the wrong time, you may hit the brakes instead of the accelerator. You may be interrupting deep sleep, blunting hormone release, or even forcing your body to work harder when it should be repairing. Many people don't realize that supplements interact with your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that governs sleep, repair, and recovery. Ignore that rhythm, and you can feel weaker in the morning, even if you're eating well, exercising, and doing your best to stay healthy. Science backs this up. According to the National Institutes of Health, adults over 50 naturally lose about 1% of their muscle mass yearly unless they take steps to prevent it. The process accelerates with poor sleep, low hormone production, or nutrient imbalances. In fact, Harvard researchers note that disrupted sleep alone can increase the risk of falls, fatigue, and muscle weakness in older adults. That means the pills on your nightstand may play a bigger role in your energy and strength than you ever imagined. The good news? It's not about taking more. It's about being smarter. When taken at the right time, 4 key nutrients can transform your nights into a period of actual muscle rebuilding. And just as important, you must avoid 2 common vitamins at night to protect your strength and keep your recovery on track. Tonight could be the turning point. Instead of losing ground while you sleep, you could wake up stronger, steadier, and more energized. And it all begins with knowing the right timing. If there's one supplement you should never overlook at night, it's magnesium glycinate. Think of it as the foundation stone of recovery. Without it, the entire structure of muscle repair becomes shaky. Magnesium is directly involved in more than 300 enzyme reactions in your body, many of which are tied to muscle contraction, energy production, and protein synthesis. In simple terms, the mineral keeps your muscle engine running smoothly. Most people don't realize that magnesium levels naturally dip at night, exactly when your muscles need it most. If you're deficient, and studies suggest up to 70% of older adults are, you may notice restless sleep, morning stiffness, cramps, or a constant sense of fatigue. That's because low magnesium doesn't just make your muscles weaker, it also robs you of deep, restorative sleep. Without that quality rest, growth hormone release is reduced, slowing down the process your body depends on to rebuild. Now, not all magnesium is the same. Some forms, like magnesium oxide or citrate, can irritate your stomach or cause trips to the bathroom, hardly ideal before bed. On the other hand, magnesium glycinate is bound to glycine, an amino acid that has its own calming effects on the nervous system. Glycine helps lower your core body temperature, which signals the body to enter deeper stages of sleep. And as a bonus, glycine also supports collagen production, protecting the joints and connective tissues that often become more fragile with age. Think of magnesium glycinate as a gentle but powerful nighttime ally. It relaxes your muscles, quiets your mind, and opens the door to sleep where real recovery happens. Combined with a consistent bedtime routine, it can reduce soreness, improve energy the next day, and make those morning steps feel lighter. Magnesium glycinate may be the missing piece if you've been waking up tired or feeling stiff, as if you aged overnight. Add it to your nighttime routine, and you give your body the raw material it needs to repair, recover, and wake up stronger. Most people think of vitamin D as the sunshine vitamin. They take it in the morning, maybe with breakfast, and move on with their day. But something surprising. Taking vitamin D3 in the morning could mean you're missing its most powerful window for muscle recovery. That window is at night. Your muscles are dotted with vitamin D receptors, like tiny locks waiting for the right key. These receptors are most active at night, mainly when your body is repairing itself. If you take D3 only in the morning, you give your body the key when the locks aren't open. But there's another important detail. Vitamin D doesn't work well alone. It needs a partner. Vitamin K2. Here's why. Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium. That's good, but without K2, that calcium can drift into the wrong places: arteries, joints, or soft tissues, where it causes stiffness instead of strength. K2 acts like a traffic officer, guiding calcium into your bones and muscle tissue, where it supports density and power. The MK7 form of K2 is especially valuable because it stays active longer, working hand in hand with D3 during your overnight recovery. Taken together in the evening with a meal that includes healthy fats, like olive oil, salmon, or avocado, D3 and K2 do more than protect bones. They help regulate melatonin, the sleep hormone, leading to deeper rest. They also support testosterone and growth hormone, two natural drivers of muscle repair that peak while you sleep. Research from the Mayo Clinic and Harvard shows low vitamin D levels are linked to muscle weakness, greater fall risk, and slower recovery in older adults. Shifting your timing and pairing D3 with K2 can turn an overlooked supplement into a powerful muscle protector. So, move it to your evening routine instead of letting vitamin D's potential go to waste. With the right timing and partner, it becomes more than a sunshine vitamin. It becomes a key player in overnight strength. Zinc rarely gets the spotlight regarding muscle recovery, yet it's one of the most essential minerals your body depends on at night. Without enough zinc, the chain reaction of rebuilding simply stalls. You could eat high-quality protein, follow a balanced diet, and still struggle to see results, because zinc helps turn that protein into muscle tissue. Here's the science. Zinc is involved in over 100 enzyme systems, controlling protein metabolism and tissue repair. Without it, your muscles can't properly rebuild the fibers that get stressed and broken down during daily activity or exercise. Think of it like fueling a car with premium gas but forgetting the spark plugs. There's power available, but nothing to ignite it. Another key role of zinc is its support of testosterone production. We're not talking about artificial boosters, but the natural, healthy levels of testosterone that keep lean muscle intact, speed up recovery, and help you feel energized. Studies show that correcting a zinc deficiency can increase testosterone levels by up to 30%. When hormone levels naturally decline, that's a massive advantage for men and women over 50. The form you take matters too. Zinc oxide and sulfate are poorly absorbed and often cause stomach upset. Zinc picolinate, however, is far more bioavailable and gentle on the digestive system. Taken at night, it works in harmony with your body's natural repair mode, fueling protein synthesis and calming the nervous system for deeper rest. There is one rule, though: timing. Zinc competes with calcium and iron for absorption. Much of it goes to waste if you take it with a multivitamin or a dairy-rich meal. That's why the best time is at night, on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before bed. Zinc picolinate might be the missing link if you've been feeling slow to recover, weaker than you used to, or constantly fatigued despite eating well. It's small, simple, and often overlooked, but when taken correctly, it can accelerate your recovery in ways you'll actually feel. Most people have heard of vitamin B6. It's often linked with energy, brain function, or mood. But many don't realize that the active form of B6, called P5P or pyridoxal 5-phosphate, is a quiet powerhouse regarding muscle recovery at night. Here's why it matters. Regular B6 from food or basic supplements has to be converted by your liver into P5P before your body can actually use it. That conversion process slows down as we age, meaning older adults often don't get the full benefit. Without enough active B6, your muscle repair system can stall, especially during the night when rebuilding is supposed to peak. P5P plays several crucial roles. First, it drives protein metabolism. It helps break down dietary protein into amino acids and reassembles them into new muscle fibers. Even the best protein diet can't translate into real strength without it. Second, it's essential for growth hormone production. Growth hormone is the master switch for recovery. It stimulates muscle protein synthesis, supports fat burning, and helps you wake up feeling strong instead of stiff. Unfortunately, natural growth hormone levels decline with age, but P5P helps keep that signal active. There's also a sleep connection. P5P helps your body produce serotonin and GABA, neurotransmitters that calm the mind and prepare you for rest. It even enhances REM sleep, where your brain reinforces coordination and muscle memory. That means your muscles don't just heal while you sleep, they learn to perform better. One more bonus. P5P supports the production of carnosine, a compound that reduces muscle acid buildup. That translates to less soreness, more endurance, and better performance the next day. For best results, pair P5P with magnesium glycinate at night. Magnesium helps activate B6, and B6 helps magnesium enter your cells. They create a recovery environment that makes your nighttime rest work harder. If you've been feeling stuck, sore, tired, or plateauing in your progress, P5P may be the growth switch your body has been missing. It may surprise you, but not every vitamin belongs on your nightstand. In fact, two of the most common healthy choices can actually sabotage your recovery if you take them before bed. The mistake isn't in taking them at all. It's in when you take them. Let's break down the two culprits: vitamin B12 and vitamin C. Vitamin B12, the stimulant in disguise. Vitamin B12 is essential. It supports red blood cell production, nerve health, and energy. It even plays a role in muscle function by helping deliver oxygen to tissues. But here's the problem. B12 is also a natural stimulant. It ramps up your nervous system, increases alertness, and boosts ATP production, the energy your cells burn for fuel. That's great if you're heading into a busy morning or want more focus during the day. But it's like stepping on the gas pedal at night when your body is trying to park. Taking B12 in the evening can raise cortisol, your stress hormone, and at the very same time, melatonin should be rising. Melatonin is not only your sleep hormone, but also a protector of your muscles. It helps reduce oxidative damage during the night. If B12 suppresses melatonin, your sleep becomes lighter, more fragmented, and less restorative. You might still log 8 hours in bed but wake up feeling tired, stiff, or older than your years. The solution is simple. Move B12 to the morning. Taken early in the day, ideally in the form of methylcobalamin, it gives you energy and mental clarity when needed. This slight timing shift can protect your nights for recovery instead of disruption. Vitamin C, the misplaced helper. The second surprising culprit is vitamin C. Like B12, vitamin C is critical for health. It boosts immune defense, supports collagen formation, and even aids in healing connective tissue. But at night, high doses of vitamin C can backfire in 3 subtle ways. First, it has a mild diuretic effect. That means more bathroom trips during the night, which interrupt deep sleep. Every time you wake up, growth hormone release is cut short. Over weeks and months, that can slow down your body's ability to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Second, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. Usually, that's a good thing. But right after training or before bed, too much antioxidant activity can blunt the small amount of oxidative stress your muscles actually need to adapt and grow stronger. In other words, the signal telling your muscles to rebuild can get blocked. Third, Vitamin C competes with zinc for absorption. Remember zinc picolinate, the nighttime recovery booster? Taking high-dose vitamin C alongside it may cancel out zinc's benefits without realizing it. That means your recovery edge gets dulled before it even starts. So what's the fix? Take vitamin C earlier in the day. Splitting your dose between breakfast and lunch is ideal. You'll still get all the immune, skin, and joint benefits without disrupting sleep or interfering with other nighttime nutrients. This isn't about avoiding B12 or vitamin C altogether. Both are essential for health. But just like eating heavy food right before bed can cause problems, taking the wrong vitamins at night can quietly undermine your recovery. By shifting B12 and vitamin C to the morning and reserving nighttime for magnesium, vitamin D3 plus K2, zinc, and P5P, you create a rhythm that supports your body instead of fighting against it. Remember, muscles don't just grow because you exercise or eat protein. They grow because you give your body the right environment to rebuild while you sleep. Avoid these two common mistakes, and you'll finally give your recovery the chance to work the way it's meant to. So now we've uncovered the truth. Muscles aren't built in the gym. They are built at night, while you sleep. And the key isn't just what nutrients you take, but when you take them. That's why creating a simple nighttime recovery protocol can make all the difference. Here's the plan. 1. Magnesium glycinate to calm the nervous system, relax muscles, and improve deep sleep. 2. Vitamin D3 paired with K2 to direct calcium into bones and muscles, boosting overnight hormone activity. 3. Zinc picolinate to spark protein metabolism and maintain natural testosterone levels. 4. P5P, active B6, maintains protein synthesis and growth hormone firing while you rest. Just as important, avoid taking B12 or high doses of vitamin C in the evening. Both can interrupt sleep and block the processes you're trying to support. This routine isn't complicated. It doesn't require dozens of pills, expensive powders, or a strict new lifestyle. It's about giving your body what it needs, when it needs it most. The beauty is in the consistency. A few weeks of following this protocol can mean waking up with less stiffness, more energy, and stronger legs ready to carry you through the day. Remember, after 50, every percentage of muscle you preserve is a win. The proper nighttime routine can protect your independence, reduce fall risk, and keep you living actively for years. So here's my challenge. Start tonight. Add these 4 nutrients to your evening, skip the 2 that hold you back, and track how you feel over the next 21 days. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to discover more science-backed strategies to keep your body strong after 50.